Magandang araw! Inimbitahan natin ang mga pastor dito sa Philippine Bible Society para sa isang Pastor's Fellowship.
Alamin natin kung kamusta sila at kung ano ang naging experience nila sa Pastor's Fellowship ngayong araw.
Tara!
Ano po ba yung palagay ninyo, pinaka-favorite na part ng fellowship po ninyo today?
My favorite part of this fellowship, aside from you have been given us a free booklets, Bibles, Bible tracts, is meron po kaming collaboration and connections po with PBS and also po with our fellow pastors po.
Yung pag-educate sa aming mga pastors dun sa history and sa mission ng PBS. Tsaka na-empower sa mission and vision na meron po yung PBS. Kaya merong sinilang sa heart ko na desire na makipag-partner talaga at tumulong and mag-support dun sa mandate. Ayun po yung pinaka-naka-bless at naka-empower sa akin sa kabuuan ng training natin ngayong araw na to.
Sa akin yung favorite part ko dito ay yung presentation kasi mga different activities, there is inclusion of the deaf. So I'm really excited about that and I really like that.
Familiar na po ba kayo sa PBS ministry before?
Yes, noong 2012, first time ko na maka-attend ng training at blessed na makatanggap ng 100 pieces of Bible more than 14 years ago. So pang second time ko pa lang. Kaya alam ko na meron ng PBS noon pa man.
Actually po, way back 2012, nakabisita po kami dito ng pastora namin. Korean missionary po siya.
Yes, familiar naman ako. Actually, this event, yung wife ko sabi sa akin, pumunta ako sa event na to. And because my wife is working with the Filipino Sign Language team, so she encouraged me to attend this event. And I'm really excited and blessed to be here.
Paano naman po nakatulong sa inyo ang ating Pastor's Fellowship?
Una is nagkaroon talaga ng panibagong connections, panibagong mga pastors na kaibigan, kakilala. Tapos nagkaroon ako ng idea sa mga other collab ministries pa among churches. And panguli, ako mismo is mas na-encourage at na-empower talaga na tupdin yung mission po natin na dalhin ang God's Word to the whole world.
Nakatulong po yung ganito pong gathering, Pastor's Fellowship po namin to deepen also not just our relationship with Jesus. Also po, sinabi ko nga po kanina na connections po and also collaborations po. And also para po mas to deepen our faith po sa ating Panginoon. And ang sarap po sa pakiramdam na nakakapag-fellowship din po with other pastors.
Yes, malaking tulong tong event na ito. Kasi yung mga different presentations, natutunan ko kung ano yung pwede kong gamitin sa church, mga activities na pwede namin gawin, na hindi lang by our own church and independently, pero collaboration with other churches as well.
Malaking tulong talaga sa expansion ng God's Kingdom ang PBS, maging yung mga sponsors po natin. May God bless you more sa lahat ng aspeto ng buhay po ninyo. Thank you so much.
And thank you so much. I really hope that the Bible Society, as we continue to distribute about awareness of the Bible, that's always include the deaf, that they would know God, because we have the Filipino Sign Language team with you, and I pray that the translation work efforts would be used by the churches, by the different communities, and the distribution of God's Word in Sign Language. Thank you and God bless.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng dumalo sa aming first ever na Pastor's Fellowship dito sa Philippine Bible Society.
Abangan ang mga susunod pang fellowship gaya nito at makibahagi sa aming mission na Making the Bible Known.